1.2 million followers, and this video right here has 3.5 million views. Now, using the TikTok creativity program beta, it is alleged that people make about $4 to $8 for every 1,000 views. Now let's whip out our calculator. If they're doing, let's just take the lowest, $4 times 3.5 million, that gives you about That gives you about 14 million, guys. So there is a huge space to make money with a TikTok creativity program. And with this niche that I'm about to show you how to do it. So this is the video that did about 3.5 million views, and I'm going to show you how to do this with Canva. If you're interested in watching videos like this, how to make money online using I recommend you hit that subscribe button, you like the video, and let's get into it. So step number one is to get into Canva. Search for quiz video. And we're going to modernize these templates. So pick any of these quiz videos like this one, for example. One of the requirements for this TikTok creativity program is that the videos are more than 1 minute, 1 minute plus video. So that's what I'm looking for. And I'll show you how easy it is to make these videos. So we're just gonna customize this template. It's this one. It says it's actually guessing which country flag is it. So you're using country flags and you're just putting A, B, C. It's very easy video to make, guys, and you can be making money like this in no time. So let's go. Templates. We're gonna customize this template. So let's click on the video and watch it so that we can recreate it.
Which country flag is that?
Which country flag is that? A, B, and C, Poland. So it's very easy to make this. Come back to templates. This one says, what is the famous tower in Paris? Actually, we're saying, what country flag is that? And we'll remove this quiz time and replace it with a flag. So let's take, for example, US flag. So go to elements, search for USA flag, and you fit it. Then you change the options to maybe Poland, B, USA, and maybe Argentina. Let's take away this D. Let's just do ABC, just like the video. And we can enlarge this a little bit so that it's more visible. And we're done with the first one. So the second one is just going to be a duplicate this page. We'll actually just edit it, edit the one below, change it to green to show that that's the right one. And so you can continue doing this for the rest of the countries of flags. So I'll just edit this one. Let's take away these ones. And what we're going to do is just duplicate this one again. Bring it down here and edit it again. So you just change the flag to another country flag. Let's maybe do Canada. And you do the same thing. So change this last option here to Canada. And maybe France. and Belgium. Then duplicate it again. So you just basically do the same thing over and over till it's more than 1 minute so that it's going to be accepted in the TikTok creativity program. So you change that red color again to green and you're good to go. So to make this more engaging, play it. This is how it will look like. What country flag is that? Then the answer comes in. So we need to add some volume to make that more engaging. So let's close this. We'll go back to audio, and I love using this one, service bell dings. That ding, I like that ding. So we're gonna add it, and it's free. So you just drag and drop it. So we're gonna put this dinging bell only where it's time for the answer, just like that. I'm gonna drag and drop it again when it's only time for the answers so that you have that dinging bell. So let's take a look at what we have. Ding, you get that? So that's what I was looking for actually. Then you can just add what country flag is that? So let's speak. We can actually do a voiceover right here. So I use voice memos on my laptop. You can use any other service. So just do a little voiceover. What country flag is that? 2 seconds and you're done. And you drag and drop in your laptop or you drag and drop it into Canva. So here's my audio. I'll just drag and drop it right here. You can use AI for this, whichever one you please. So just click it and you can put in this first one. Do the same thing for the second one. And let's do a test, see how it's going. What country flag is that? What country flag is that? So the second one didn't come out well. I don't know what happened. Let's remove that. The ding bell didn't sound quite well. Okay, we have that. So let's play it one more time. What country flag is that? What country flag is that? Perfect. So as you can see, it's very easy to make a similar video like this using just Canva. And as you can see, this video has got, this was just what, 1 week ago, and they have over 3.5 million views, and that translates into a lot of money, as we have just seen here from our calculator, if they're using the TikTok creativity program, which pays between $4 and 8,000 for every 1,000 views. So this is how you can make a lot of money with the TikTok creativity program using quiz videos. So I'm doing this into a series. If you like to see more videos like this, how you can make money with the TikTok creativity program, do well to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.